Applied Epic CRM Review. Watch before using. Most insurance agencies lose clients not because of price, but because of missed follow-ups and poor organization. And that's where Applied Epic steps in. Applied Epic is a CRM platform built specifically for insurance agencies. It manages clients, policies, claims, renewals, and workflows in one centralized system. Here's what most people get wrong. They think generic CRMs work for insurance. Applied Epic is designed around insurance workflows and compliance needs. The system helps agents track renewals, manage documentation, automate follow-ups, and improve customer service. However, the surprising truth is that Applied Epic is designed for mid-sized to large agencies. It has a learning curve and requires proper onboarding. Applied Epic is best for agencies that want structure, efficiency, and compliance support. The surprising truth is that organized agencies retain more clients. Applied Epic helps make that happen. If you manage an insurance agency, Applied Epic is worth serious consideration. Subscribe to the channel for more CRM reviews and business tools.